Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so in my case, home screen is already open and visible on my phone. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture as a screenshot is right now visible on your screen. Once that is the case, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. First time around, we might, there we go, get some guide that we can capture our screenshots also using 3 fingers, and there's several different ways you can capture a screenshot. So you can go through this quick little depictions right here. So you have a 3-finger swipe down, which is just a straight up screenshot the same way that we have done by holding power button and volume down. Then you have the partial screenshot, so hold your finger and then swipe across to capture like a cropped version of a screenshot or selected portion of a screen. Then you have the same thing, but basically edge to edge. So if I were to hold it, wait, swipe down, so wherever my finger started the 3-finger hold, from there all the way to the down part, it would capture this kind of screenshot. And lastly, we have the scrollable screenshot, so hold and then swipe all the way down, and this will then begin scrolling down on your screen, assuming you can scroll down on your screen, to capture a longer version of the screenshot. Anyway, we're gonna select got it, and there we go. And once you have captured your screenshot, whichever way you want, you can obviously do it with the power button, volume down, or with a 3-finger swipe down like so, or any other of the 3 methods with like 3-finger that you've seen. You can then find that screenshot in your Photos application. Let me just quickly go back. So by default, you would be located in the Photos where these screenshots will appear. But if you're trying to find them later on down the line, it might be easier for you to navigate to Albums and then select Screenshots, in which album you will find screenshots and screen recordings, but it's still much more organized than trying to find them in your Photos library entire, so mixed with downloaded images, photos, videos, screenshots and all that stuff. Anyway, here are the 2 screenshots that I've captured a moment ago. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.